This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Lucy Endris. 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch in Franklin. Open concept. Cathedral ceilings with new lighting. Split floor plan. 2-car insulated garage with attic pull-down for storage. Beautiful backyard with mature trees, mini barn and privacy fence. Front covered porch. Newer HVAC system. Great location on the Franklin Trails system and park. Close to downtown, hospital, shopping and schools. Home needs new flooring, paint, appliances, and master bath. Cannot go FHA, VA or USDA. Needs TLC. Property is sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Lucy Endris at 317-459-5364.